Hey guys! Today we're learning English with my second favorite sitcom, Modern Family. I'm Parisa and welcome to English Take 1. This is the first video that I'm recording with microphone. I'm really excited about it. I hope you like it too. Let's get started with the most intelligent character of the show. Can you guess who I'm talking about? That's right, Alex Dunphy.
Today, think of me as a girlfriend. Two girls out for an afternoon of fun.
What do you usually do with your girlfriends?
I don't know. We go out, we talk, drink wine.
Can I drink wine?
No.
Some friend.
Well,
Some friend is used, especially when you are annoyed, to mean someone or something has disappointed you by not behaving in the way you think they should.
How dare you? Oh, nice. You gonna let me go out like that? Some friend you are.
I'm starting to think that maybe it was my fault.
It wasn't you. It was me. I was the one that told them he fancied you. I didn't want them to start me, so I set him up. Some friend, huh?
What's going on?
Cut the act, Billy. I heard you and Carlin talking. Some friend you are.
Look,
The phrase some friend is usually used in a negative or sarcastic way, but it is not wrong to use it in a positive situation as well, like the scene that I'm showing you next.
Lets you borrow this?
He doesn't get a chance to use it very much anymore. Isn't he generous?
How's some friend? Should I be jealous?
Always.
Just chill, please.
I'm sorry, I just want to make a good first impression.
You mean you want to fit in and not terrify the villagers?
No, hey, come on. Today is about Lily, all right? Her future best friend might be in that class, and I don't want to rub anyone the wrong way. Can you please just change your shirt?
Rub somebody the wrong way means to annoy someone without intending to. The phrase rub somebody the wrong way means to annoy or irritate someone, usually in a way that is repetitive or unintentional. For example, the sound of her breathing rubs me the wrong way, or her chewing her nails rubs me the wrong way. It doesn't mean that she's doing that on purpose to annoy you. It's just a natural habit, but it's repetitive and it's bothering you. So we usually do not use this phrase for one-time situations. Now write in the comments, what's rubbing you the wrong way?
We always seem to rub each other the wrong way, no matter what.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be doing our job right if we didn't rub a few malefactors the wrong way.
We did later find out that she also had a very strong personality, which can rub people the wrong way.
Look. Oh, that's why they were laughing. I thought it was my funny take on current events.
why would they do something like that?
Don't worry about it. Guys pull pranks like that all the time. You just got to prank them back. Just got to show them you're willing to give as good as you get.
What do you think?
Revenge. I like it.
Someone's take on something means someone's opinion or idea about something.
So what's your take on the mayor's race?
Also, I completely disagree with your take on Alma's character, Sue.
Well, I decided to do something really special, and I want your take on it.
You can't tell a story about Liverpool without talking about crime. Our take on crime is always going to be very different because we grow up with it.
So I thought I would invite him to check out our setup and get his take. on some of the new technology and equipment we brought along.
I just got a weird call. From? A friend of mine at headquarters who had some insider information for us. He says Dandridge has been in contact with the deputy commissioner regarding the fly team. Any specifics? No, just that he felt like something big was going on and he wanted my take on it. I said this was the first I heard of anything.
You know my take on the world, Joe. There's good and there's bad. But you gotta fight.
Propaganda. There's someone talk to me about my take on inner beauty.
Well done, and thanks for staying with me. Make sure to subscribe and let me know your take on today's lessons in the comments. See you next time. Bye!